Well, Royals, as promised, I present to you my 2020 Home for the Holidays Living Room Christmas Tour. Earlier in the season, I did a beautiful DIY centerpiece with this gorgeous reindeer sitting center stage. I decided to bring on a companion. I felt something was missing, and then I flanked it with two amazingly gorgeous beaded ombre trees. I thought that would be the perfect nod and a hint to the intro as to what is to come in this design. Last year, I gave you a beautiful tree in this space that I titled the Hudsons. Well, this year, I'm giving you Mr. and Mrs. H. How about couples trees in our amazing color scheme of mint, gold, and cream? I love to style up spaces and make them personal and commemorate something intimate to me. And so this year, I thought this would be the perfect way to commemorate my love and I. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink of choice, and enjoy the tour. I'll chime in later with details of where everything is from.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day. When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Well, Royals, as you can see, the flow of this space was meant to be. I absolutely love the way this space turned out. Now, you guys that have been following me for a while, you know that my furniture pieces, my sofa and oversized chair, are a reupholstered set that I had in a darker color, and I just gave it a nice, as I like to say, glam over. And then I began to style up with the beautiful pillows. The fur pillows are from Z Gallery. The beaded ombre pillows, Z Gallery. The throw, Z Gallery. And the lumbar in the middle are from Rodeo Home. I did a similar styling to this chair as well to mimic the look on the sofa. I absolutely love the warm and cozy vibes that you get in this space. Everything flows beautifully together, and again, it tells the story of an amazingly grateful couple. Every detail is coordinated to perfection. I love the champagne hues because they pair perfectly with golds or silvers, even rose gold. So I just love bringing in different metallics. And here I added to the coffee table a cake stand layered on some chargers and a candle holder from Bath and Body Works, as well as a peppermint twist candle inside, and that completed the overall look of this design. The trees, you guys, are an absolute joy. They are definitely conversation starters in the room. On either side of the sofas, I just have my little C tables where I added lamps for ambiance, candles, and of course, I cannot have a space without reindeer. So there you have it on this side. It flows over beautifully to the other side to keep that symmetric look and feel to this design. The reindeer are actually from QVC. Candles are from Burlington. Lamps are from Home Goods. My pictures on the wall are DIYs. I picked up the frames from Hobby Lobby, and I added my own personal black and white prints from our wedding photos. And there you have it. Again, you guys, I am so pleased with this look. Now, if this is your first time visiting, I want to invite you to please hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know how much I love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. I want to invite you all, if you have not already, connect with me on my other social media platforms, Royalty Designs with Trevina on Facebook and Instagram. Also, set your notification bells because there is yet more to come. I have to share with you the Emerald City, and you guys do not want to miss it. So please set your notifications and come back and join me tomorrow for a view of the Emerald City. And then we will conclude with the overall Christmas home tour So guys, until the next video, I want you all to stay safe and have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.